Good morning, Quad Cities. A live look from our Bridgepoint camera this morning. We do have some sunshine to enjoy, but definitely seeing those clouds begin to take over a little bit more for us as we slowly and surely work in some showers and thunderstorms. Seen a couple of very robust cells pop up in northern Illinois, but again, a big cluster heading into Wisconsin so far, but even more so, we're keeping an eye out on that stuff that is just south of I-80 out near Des Moines. So we'll continue to keep an eye out on this line that is pushing into Missouri. That will continue to cross or lift along this warm front as we head into the afternoon. And then we could see another round arrive as we head into your Monday, and that will be along a cold front. The cold front definitely will bring the relief, but definitely need to nail out the timing for that front as well. We're seeing a lot of model uncertainty so far this morning, but with the morning showers and storms, you can expect them to come in throughout the late morning hours and into the early afternoon. So almost all of us should be in store for at least some wet weather for today, but it won't be widespread. Could see some good dry time too by this evening and going into the overnight hours. With the southerly winds that's pumping in a lot of moisture and warmth, we're not going to see lows once again drop. They're going to be rather mild, around 70 degrees. And then by tomorrow morning, we could see our first round of some wet weather popping up ahead of this cold front. I don't think the cold front is set to arrive until later on in the afternoon. So this stuff again is forming out ahead of it. That will progress through the morning hours. And then by the afternoon, I think we're going to start to see that front begin to push through. So it could bring in a couple more showers and thunderstorms for us. We just got to keep a close eye out on those because if we do get enough dry time and sunshine, some of our Illinois hometowns could be in store for a couple of robust storms to get, some gusty winds included with them. So we do actually have a level 1 risk for some storms to become strong for areas from Princeton to Galesburg and south of Burlington. So we'll keep an eye out on that for the next day or so. But in terms of rainfall, almost all of us are in store to at least see something in the next 2 days. Around 1/2 inch or less are going to be the best chance for those rain amounts. But again, if you find yourself in one of those heavier downpours with the thunderstorms, could see around 1 to 2 inches. The good news is that cold front that is going to arrive sometime during Monday is going to bring the relief for the rest of the work week, as well as the end of August and beginning of September, looking absolutely beautiful. Lots of dry skies, sunshine to enjoy. Highs will be in the upper 70s and the low 80s.